Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect pieces of crochet. Joining your crochet pieces effectively is crucial for a polished finish. We'll cover several popular methods, ensuring your finished items look professional and hold together beautifully. Whether you're making a blanket, garment, or amigurumi, mastering these joining techniques will elevate your crafting skills significantly. Let's dive into the first method. The slip stitch join is a fantastic method for creating a very flat and almost invisible seam. To begin, place your two crochet pieces with their right sides together. Insert your hook through both loops of the first stitch on each piece. Then, yarn over and pull that yarn through all the loops on your hook. Repeat this process across the edge, ensuring consistent tension for a smooth, strong connection. Next, let's explore the single crochet join, which produces a slightly more defined and very sturdy seam. For this method, you'll typically place your crochet pieces with their wrong sides together, creating a visible ridge on the right side. Insert your hook through both loops of the first stitch on each piece. Then, complete a standard single crochet stitch. This method is excellent for items needing extra durability, like bags or toys. Finally, we have the mattress stitch, a hand-sewn method that results in a truly invisible seam from the right side. With your pieces laid flat, use a yarn needle to pick up the horizontal bar between the first and second rows on one piece. Then, do the same on the corresponding bar of the other piece. Alternate between the two pieces, pulling the yarn gently taut every few stitches. This technique is perfect for garments and blankets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.